हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू आवर न्यू चैनल स्टेनो वाले सर। मैं आपको डिक्टेशन प्रोवाइड करने जा रहा हूँ। बी रेडी फॉर इट।
Start. The facts may be defined as those circumstances which are the automatic and undersigned incidents of a particular litigated act and which are admissible when illustrative of such act stop. These incidents may be separated from the act by a lapse of time more or less appreciable stop. A transaction may last for weeks stop. The incidents may consist of sayings and doings. They may comprise things left undone as well as the things done. Stop. They must be necessary incidents of the litigated act in the sense that they are not produced by the calculated policy of the actors. Stop. They are the acts talking for themselves, not what people say when talking about the acts. Stop. In other words, they must stand on an immediate causal relation to the actual relation, not broken by the interposition of voluntary individual witness seeking to manufacture evidence for itself. Stop. The test of the admissibility of evidence as part of facts is whether the act, declaration, or exclamation is so intimately interwoven or connected with the principal facts or even which in characteristics as to be regarded as a part of the transaction itself, and also whether it negatives any premeditation or purpose to manufacture testimony. Stop para. Facts forming part of same transaction. Stop. The transaction consists both of the physical acts and the words accompanying such physical acts, whether spoken by the person doing such acts, the person to whom such acts are done, or any other person or persons. Stop para. Physical acts forming a part of a transaction. Stop. The acts forming the part of the same transaction with the fact in issue are relevant. Stop. The expression facts as applied to a crime means the complete transaction from its starting point in the act of the accused until the end is reached. Stop. What in any case constitutes a transaction depends wholly on the character of the act and the circumstances of the case. Stop. It frequently happens that as evidence of circumstances may be resorted to for the purpose of proving the commission of a particular offense charged, the proof of those circumstances involves the proof of other acts, either criminal or apparently innocent. Stop. In such cases, it is proper that the chain of evidence should be unbroken. Stop.